Hello friends, English dictation 100 words per minute. Start. In pre-independence India, caste was seen as a social question. It was a subject of social reform which necessitated the creation of more universal opportunities in sectors such as education and jobs by the government. Deliberate efforts for inclusion through actions of voluntary organizations by several social reformers and efforts by activists and advocates to open previously denied spaces such as drinking water, commons and access of temple to caste which were denied the same. It was a period where there was some cognition of issues linked to discrimination and exploitation on basis of caste. And on the other hand, caste continue to be the basis of the organization of communities at large. Para. Caste discrimination was a subject of considerable debate in the Constituent Assembly and the adoption of specific provisions for prevention of discrimination as well as the adoption of principles of affirmative actions, especially for the scheduled caste, was an significant and foundational reforms. With these moves, the post-independent state look on the mantle of transformative action, heralding a shift of domain of caste reform to the political and economic sphere, and not just restricted to the social sphere as in the pre-independence era. The other significant shift is seen in terms of transformation in the agency of the castes who were previously labeled only as victims, depressed and lacking a voice. Para. The shift to the state as an institution that has the once of transformative action in relation to caste has not been easy and in highly uneven institutionalization of practices such as reservation in education, job and election of people's representatives has been much easier than the transformations in the structure of these institutions and the texture of actual governance. The adequacy of transformation initiated by reservation and their outcomes are a subject of more substantive debate. However, it is undeniable that they have enabled the organization of the Dalit caste, given an impetus to mobilization and organization of other castes in subsequent years, and more importantly, created a critical space and voice within state organization that can speak for the excluded. Stop.